Okay, hello everyone. This is 4youelectrical. Today we'll go for use the how to use the data entry form by using the Excel form. So here I give this common this one. So serial number, name, phone number, email ID, address, and PIN number. So by using this Excel, so we have to generate the. So how will we generate the? How to use this Excel as the data entry form. Okay, for this one first we have to go for here menu bar and here Excel option with it. So here I'm using MS Excel 2007. It will option will be there. MS Excel, go to the Excel option. Now here it will go shows the customized one. Okay, go to here customize. Now here find the all command, go to the all command. Now search for the form FORM. So already I put it, but I will showing how where will be in it. So in the form of, okay, so EF. So here form is there. So for this one we have to add this. So this if it is, so this is already added, so it should. So if you remove this one, if you want to remove. So here already form is there, just add this one. So already added, it shows that already added. Then select OK. Okay, here the form at the top it will show the, okay, so it will show. So here we are taking the four column, one a serial number, name, phone number, email ID, address, PIN number. Now we have to select this one. Okay, now select this form, it shows the and pop-up will be there. Then select OK. So here we have to directly enter this as a data in form. Name, serial number, name, phone number, email ID, address, okay, fine. So here we go for the next. So want okay, enter form. So cannot enter form, so it will have to enter. So you have to write the email ID. So email ID you can write email ID in this way, mail ID, and right here. So next enter. Class we know for the enter. So we'll select the two, name, phone number, mail ID, address, PIN. Okay, then select enter. Okay, so in this way we select the address, PIN number. Okay, then select. Okay, here I select. So if you want to go for the want to find out the first one, so find previous. So if you go for the previous one and the previous equal, so find next. So want to introduce a new one, you can select the new record. Okay, so want to find out the particular criteria. So for serial number we want to find out. Okay, so here find. So for based on criteria you can go. Okay, sheet. So here by this one find previous, next. So here, so form will be shown in this way. Okay, for each record. So you can say, so by using tab button we enter this one. Okay, this one, but it will be easy for you. Thank you.